Hello. Today I'll be talking about schizophrenia. Schizophrenia is a personal interest of mine. I think it's very interesting, the idea of not being able to control your thoughts and hearing voices that aren't there. It sounds like something out of a horror movie. I have a bit of a morbid curiosity to when it comes to stuff like this, and I think it's very interesting. Schizophrenia is a very treatable disease with over 60% of cases being treated successfully. Schizophrenia is primarily treated through antipsychotics and other drugs, but 60% means that it's a very treatable disease. You're not necessarily doomed to be crazy if you get schizophrenia. There's a good chance you can be treated and seek some help. Worldwide, about 1% of the population has schizophrenia. I thought this was very interesting because the USA's rate of schizophrenia is 1% as well, which kind of shows that worldwide we all have like a basic understanding of what schizophrenia is. A lot of diseases like bipolar disorder we talked about in class are misdiagnosed or overdiagnosed in one country and not the other. So I think it's pretty cool that schizophrenia is recognized across the board. People with schizophrenia are 3 times more likely to die earlier than the general population. This can be due to infections and cardiac and respiratory diseases. I don't know if there's a link there. I don't think there is, but I think people with schizophrenia are probably much less likely to seek medical help when they should. I know with schizophrenia you can have a general sense of paranoia, so I have to imagine taking somebody's word on your health or putting your health in somebody else's hands would be very stressful for someone with schizophrenia. Um, Also, they're um, more prone to suicide, which is an unfortunate side effect of schizophrenia, where people will hear voices and just have a general poor self-esteem. And that's it. That's my presentation. Thank you for listening.